trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble.
This truly is Patterson Lakes living at its finest. This stunning triple-level home offering 3 massive bedrooms, multiple living areas, the most stunning views that Patterson Lakes has to offer, and a boat mooring. Welcome to number 7, Southseas, Patterson Lakes.
Trouble but God. Trouble so hard.
I hope you enjoy the tour. I look forward to meeting you at one of our inspections.
God, don't nobody know my trouble but God.